Hello my dear student, I am your Kalyani ma'am and today's topic is recognition of letter C. So let's start. So here you all can see I have written 2C. So this one is capital C, this is big one. This one is capital C and this is small c. Capital C, small c. Now let's learn the phonic sound of letter C. So the phonic sound of letter C is K. C, K, C, K. Now I will show you some images which start with letter C. C is for cake. C, K, cake. C is for cupcake. C, K, cupcake. C is for carrot. C, K, carrot. C is for cat. C, K, cat. C is for cap. C, K, cap. C is for candle. C, K, candle. C is for crab. C, K, crab. C is for cabbage. C, K, cabbage. C is for cloud. C, K, cloud. C is for comb. C, K, comb. So let's repeat one more time. Capital C, small c. And the phonic sound of C is K. C, K, cake. C, K, cupcake. C, K, carrot. C, K, cake. C, K, cap. C, K, candle. C, K, crab. C, K, cabbage. C, K, cloud. C, K, comb. Do practice of phonic sound of letter C and recognize the letter C. Thank you. Bye bye.